Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Qwen 3.8 in VS Code for free and create this nice website as you can see. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here, download VS Code and go here to VS Code, open it, go here to this extensions, and this extension is search for Qwen. Okay, this is Qwen. Install Qwen from here. Okay, after installing Qwen, the next thing I want to do, you can get Qwen right here, as you can see, open Qwen. Click it. This browser is open it. You have to sign in here or sign up. Okay, let's sign up. Continue on Google. Okay, fine. Yeah, let's sign up to Qwen. Now let's go here and use the Qwen 3.8. Click here. And now you can create anything. Okay, for me, I already create this script for the Unreal Engine, as you can see, and create this queue. Okay, let's create another thing. For example, Qwen 3.8. For example, let's create a website with nice design. Any website as you want. Okay, fine. Qwen is already finished creating this website. Next thing I want to do is to download this. Okay, renamed index. It's HTML, maybe a document, let's say. And we have to go to the downloads. I'll double click here. Okay, as you can see, my Qwen 3.8 it makes a nice work. Look at this nice design for this website, as you can see. So it's okay. Thank you guys for watching this.